Hello. First of all, thank you so much for showing us so much love on our first video. If you still haven't had the chance to check it out, you can always click on the link on top. Your support means a lot to us, so thanks a lot for that. A lot of you have been also asking us about the different modifications that we've done on the Isuzu and what it cost us to make it the overlanding vehicle suitable to us. So yeah, let's go check it out. So let's start from the front first. Dorje has this heavy-duty bull bar in the front that's by BAT, and it houses a 12,000-pound synthetic winch by Come Up. When you're off-roading or overlanding, you often can't find someone else to help you out, right? So if you ever find yourself stuck, this winch comes in really handy to self-recover or even get somebody else out of a sticky situation. Then on the front, we also have these ditch lights by Baha Designs. They give you really good visibility on either side of the car beyond the A-pillar. So normally when you're overlanding, especially in the dark, it gets a little treacherous to get onto these roads where you can't see anything in the front, right, or on the sides. So these lights are really helpful. They assist the headlights and they give you a really good 180-degree view of the front and light up everything in your view. Now when you're also driving, you might find other obstacles and obstructions that might be hanging from the top. So for that, we also have these LED bar lights on top. And the LED bar lights help you give visibility on top. The headlights and the ditch lights together make sure that there isn't any black patch or blind spot anywhere around you, which is very important when you're overlanding in the dark. So another aspect of overlanding and off-roading is driving through water, right? So Dorje has this snorkel which gives you air intake from the top that helps Dorje drive through deep water crossings. So Dorje is also equipped with a 2-inch Ironman lift kit suspension which gives it really good ground clearance, as well as these 31-inch Pinza 80 tires. Another thing that happens when you go off-roading is to hit those remote spots, you normally need to get through your highways and then you hit the off-roading track, right? So these tires, because they're all-terrain, they give you really good driving comfort on the tarmac and then give really good driving capabilities once you hit the off-road as well. Now let's come to the rear. Over here, Dorje has this modular bed rack by GS Customs, which acts as a multi-purpose platform. It supports our tent that's on top and this 270-degree awning as well. Another thing about this bed rack is that it houses 4 aux lights, which help us light up the way at the back as well. This really helps when you're off-roading, specifically at night. If you're wondering how we get our luggage out of the Bay Area, no, we don't crawl into it. We actually designed this. It's a custom drawer system that we built with the help of Auto Techniques. It doubles up as a platform so you can use it for cooking or any of your other needs. That was about the vehicle and its specs. Now let me give you a tour of the creature comforts that make Dorje a home away from home. This over here is a massive 9 feet 270-degree awning made by our friends Sandesh and Shekhar. Shout out to you guys. This is very different from the regular pull-out awning. As you can see, it gives a 270-degree coverage. It's waterproof, it gives shade from the sun, so you can just sit back and relax in all kinds of weather. And then after that, the final thing that we have is our rooftop tent. This really easily opens up with 4 clips. It sits perfectly on top of the car and it comfortably accommodates 2 people. So there you have it. Those are some of the most important modifications that we made to Dorje. Are you wondering what Dorje means? Dorje is a name that we've given to our little car over here. It means indestructible in Tibetan. So yeah, those are most of the modifications that we've made, but they're not all. You can join us on our next video where we'll take you on some more adventures and you'll get a sneak peek at them for sure. If you like our content, do subscribe to our channel and we'll bring you some of the best views from across this country. Thank you so much for watching.